Happy New Year, YouTubers. It's the Texas Law Dog. Please excuse my voice. I've come down with a winter cold, and it's just really got me down. So, but I really just wanted to get this video out to you. I had to replace a LED bulb in the house. Oh, it's a bulb that we got from Lowe's or Home Depot, and we paid a little bit extra, a little bit more than an incandescent bulb. And it got me to thinking, man, all this new technology, I thought these things were supposed to last, 15 or 20 years. And then I went out in the garage and started screwing around, and I looked up and I realized I bought these Barrina 4-foot LED lights off Amazon over a year and a half ago, and no issues whatsoever. So this has been a pleasant surprise. It's been a good purchase, and I wanted to share the light output. I don't have anything to measure the light output, but I kind of wanted to show you how these Barrina 4-foot lights are performing. Excuse me. I bought a 6-pack of them on Amazon. I think it was for $119. Really easy to install. I think there's like some sort of U or J clip, and you can just link them together, and they just really illuminate my garage. This is pretty much the area where I would be working over the engine bay of a vehicle. I use that word loosely, trust me. But you can definitely see how they perform in relationship to that may be an incandescent bulb in the garage light. I'm not real sure. But for 119 bucks, I think they only put out, I don't know how many watts. I'd have to go back and look. But I'll try to leave the link in case anyone is interested. But these do a good job of illuminating this nasty workspace I call a garage. They seem to be holding up. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I apologize for the untidiness of my garage. I got inspired by a Panzer platform. I think he's out in California. I may be wrong, and I wanted him to go into detail about his garage flooring, and he did a video, and his garage was immaculate. So I came out here and looked around, and my smile just instantly turned into a frown. So I've definitely got some work to do. But here are the Barrina 4-foot LED shop lights that can be linked together. $119 on Amazon, at least they were a year and a half ago. So you all have a safe and happy New Year's, and hopefully I'll be putting out some more content in the future. Just want to say Happy New Year to all my Panther platform automobile owners, enthusiasts. Just keep rocking the Crown Victorias and Grand Marquis. Talk to you later.